It looks like dust, and it sits on a shelf for months. But is yeast actually a living organism? Today, we're putting it to the test. My hypothesis is that if yeast is alive, it will respire when given a food source, producing gas as a metabolic byproduct. To prove this, we'll need 10 grams of dried yeast and 80 milliliters of distilled water, 20 grams of glucose, the energy source, a flask and a test tube, and Limewater, our secret weapon to detect carbon dioxide. First, we rehydrate the yeast in warm distilled water, kept between 35 degrees C and 40 degrees C, the sweet spot for yeast activity. We then add a layer of glucose. We'll seal the flask and pipe any gas produced directly into a test tube of clear Limewater. Look at that. The bubbles indicate gas production, and the Limewater turning cloudy confirms that the gas is carbon dioxide. Because the yeast is actively breaking down sugar to create energy, we can conclude that our hypothesis was correct. Yeast is a living organism.
Like, share, and hit the bell so you never miss a Biobeatstune video.